That's lit.
Nigga.
A whole fucking bullet right there. We looking for bullets. You see little casings.
Straight John, we straight shot out. Like,
Oh, here go another little one.
that shit look crazy.
Amazing, bro. This shit is so fun. Another one.
That's another one. Maybe look into all the parts where it's dented in.
Yeah.
Like, bullets lingering in those jaws.
Oh shit, that's cool. Pieces. Oh, you right.
Yeah, they might be they might be
Bullets.
all in them bitches. Cause we shooting straight into dirt, nigga.
Yeah, that shit going straight. Stop it.
Yeah.
Classic YouTube content right here. Looking for bullets. Shadow System MR920.
Real shit just laying here.